a foul, bro. Chat, spin out that like and sub, chat. Let's get right, y'all. We just hit 57.9. We just hit 57.9. Hit that like and sub button. Come on, nigga. Get back, nigga. Lock in. That's a foul. Hey, don't be doing. Is this good? Yeah. Come on. Come on. 57.9 in the chat. Can we hit 58 million today? Can we hit 58 million today? Let's get right, chat. Sub up. Can we hit 58 million today? Subscribe in the chat. Oh yeah. Gordon! Gordon! Hey, Gordon, good try. Good try, Gordon. Man, I can't wait till England score, bro. Hey, when I take off this, nah, so you want me recording? Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you, all right? England had 54% possession control. England has had 54% possession control. Is what? Bellingham isn't. Bellingham. He finna hit you, chat. He finna hit him with the. That's Bellingham's favorite move. Oh yeah, Harry Kane. Foul. Foul. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on? What's going on? Play football! Stop all this fighting! Stop all this WWE! Play football, man! Come on, man, just play football! We don't got time for this, bro! We don't got time for these red cards, bro. Just play football, bro. Come on, bro. We don't got time for this, bro. Just play football. Number 17, what's his name, Henry? So you English and you don't even know his name?
I don't know what 17 is.
What is number 17 in? Number 17.
Rogers.
Rogers? Yeah. Yo, Rogers, come on, bro. We need you, bro. Lock in, bro. Play football, bro. Don't be worried about that, bro. Don't be worried about the opposing team. Bro, we don't need you getting a yellow or red card. Come on, man. Come on, Roger. Come on, bro. Hey, check that. Good. Come on, bro. That's fine. Come on, bro. England, we don't got time for this, bro. Y'all trying to fight and play WWE. Bro, we don't get no, bro. Y'all trying to get red cards in the first half? Come on, bro. We don't got time for that, bro. Play football. Literally. That's all you got to do is play football. Y'all trying to... You know, bro, come on. Offside? Offside! Bro, what is happening, bro? Bro, this game... So this game is so intense. Literally every single time somebody gets the ball, they fighting. Every time, bro. Every time somebody else gets the ball, they fighting. Fighting and flopping. Like, come on, y'all, play football. Come on. Come on. Yup, come on. Come through. Press X. Yes. Yes. Yes, England. Yes, England. Come on. Shoot that shit. Shoot the ball, bro. Bro, that's Gordon. That's Gordon. That's Gordon.
You should have kicked that shit early. Could have passed the ball.
Who was that? Nate, shoot the ball, Nate. That was Gordon, right? Oh my God. Come on, England. Don't sell my heart, brother. Wallahi. I put my life savings to this game. Don't fail me now. What's that one song? Please don't fail me. I keep on toss the ground. Don't fail me now. Don't fail me, bro. Come on. I'm not playing with y'all, bro. Argentina, corner Argentina. Come on. Tempo. Hey, man. Bro, they've been playing the drums this. Oh, yeah, England. Foul! 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 Is this WWE or football, bro? Bro, what is happening? What is happening? Go, 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 go. What is going on? Hey, Chad, I kid you not. This whole game has been full of tussling. Like, what is going on? They not even playing football. They're not even playing football, bro. And the ref ain't calling no fouls. He just letting it go. Oh yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on. Yup. Come on, come on, come on. Yup. Give it up to the left wing. Do your thing. Okay. Okay. Harry Kane. Bellingham. Belly. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No, he ain't touching. What? Come on, bro. That was a good try, though. England, good try, though. Good try. I love the effort. I like the effort. Hey, look. Right now, y'all look like y'all about to score in the next 10 minutes. England, keep playing like this. Keep playing like this, England. Keep playing like this. Keep playing like this, bro. Word two. How do you say, like, word two in English? Like, yeah, man. Like, bruv. Like, what? How you say, like, word two? Never mind, bro. Never mind, bro. Foul! Foul! That is a complete foul. Yellow! He got his studs all up in his knees, bro. His studs was all up in his knees, bro.
That's Rogers again.
That's Rogers? Come on. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, bro. Come on, G. Hey, everybody subscribe in the chat, y'all. We also doing Watch With Me. If you want to watch the game also with me, we are doing it live. Fox 1 on YouTube. Subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube. The link is in the description if you guys want to watch the game with me. US based. Oh. Come on, England!
Come on. We're cooking, we're cooking.
We are cooking. We are cooking. Come on, England. Put them big. Oh yeah, Harry Kane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Cross that. Cross that. Hey, Reece James. I like the effort. Reece James, I like the effort. Keep doing that though. Keep creating chances. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. That's what we need. That's what we need, England. Come on. Oh yeah, good defense. Stop Messi in his tracks. Good defense. Huh? Now this game's intense. It's intensity. No. Good cross, good clear, good clear. Nice. Come on, bro. Hey, look. Hey, if y'all want me to eat my beans, then England scored. Chat, if you want me to eat beans and pour these beans all over my face, then score this game. Come on, England. I got the beans ready, bro. Come on, I'm not playing. Come on, bro. Everybody subscribe so we get 58 million, bro. We about to hit 58 million this stream too, y'all. Come on, dog. Whoa! Is that not a foul? Is that not a foul? What? That's a free kick. That is a free kick, bro. Uh-oh. 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 Come on. Come on, England. Let's play defense. That's all you got to do is play defense. Come on, y'all. Everybody in chat, subscribe and stream. We are at 57,914,000 subscribers, y'all. Turn me up, man. We getting lit, man. Let's go, bro. Y'all already know, chat, we are repping England today. And y'all know why. Y'all know why I'm repping England. Y'all know why. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on, bro. They ain't making no chances right now. They just sitting still. They just sitting there. Man, what's going on with this game, bro? What's going on, bro? Oh, they get a free kick? Argentina free kick. Is that a corner? Argentina gets another corner. But guess what? England has great defenders, so no worries. Argentina. Corner Argentina. Corner Argentina. What's about to happen?
Can't do that.
Hydration break. Wow.
This game,
Chad, this game, it is currently hydration break, but bro, this game right here, I feel raw energy and compassion. Both teams are really playing to the full heart's content. I can feel it. They're like playing WWE. They're like, get off me, this and that and third. The fans going crazy. They're playing well. Great game right now. This is a great game. This is amazing, but we truly need England to win though, bro. We really need England to win, okay? Y'all know I got the England flag on my face. You know I had to represent. Thank you, brother. As always.
Killing it.
It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming home. It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming home.
Coming.
Oh, really? What's good, brother? Long time no see, bro. You good, bro?
Chilling.
Good to see you, bro.
FIFA game.
Yes, sir. Bro, this is your first weekend?
First FIFA game. Yeah.
That's lit, bro.
What's your prediction?
3-1, England.
You know they ain't gonna go that way. So England go to the finals. You got England and Spain.
I don't care after that.
Where you go at?
I don't care after that.
Where you go at?
I go that?
Where you go at?
Probably home right now.
It's all good.
It is all good.
It's all good.
I don't even know why you coming all over, coming here all on that.
It's all love.
You.
I'm
Listen,
just happy to be
listen.
here.
You can go for Argentina. You can go for Messi. Not my problem. I'm going for England. England gonna win today. Hey, Pickford, you better be picking at these balls today, Pickford. All right? Pickford, you better be picking. We don't want no goals and we're not doing that today. Come on, Pick. Yes. Foul! Was that not a foul, bro? You see that?
Yeah, I see that.
The hell is that?
I don't understand.
That's a foul.
Is that not a foul?
Like what? Come on, bro. So everybody keep subbing up, bro. 80K away from 58 million. Also, guys, we are streaming also with Fox. We have another stream. It's called Watch With on Speed. You can watch the game and me at the same time. Fox 1 on YouTube. You can also watch the finals as well. The link is in the description chat if you want to watch the stream. You get to watch the game and me at the same time. Reese. Hot go cold like Palmer. Come on. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, England. What in the tartar sauce? What in the fish and chips is going on? What? Henry, what is going on?
They're gonna play through it, man. This is how it is, man. They're gonna play through it. They know it's gonna be like this. It's a hard game.
Bro, England need to lock in and score a goal, bro. Argentina.
Yeah.
Argentina.
What do you expect with the linemen?
England, bro. Y'all better not sell today.
Probably.
What?
State's like, what?
I don't want to hear no. We got a spirit. Spirit needs to always be up. Where's Bellingham at?
There he is.
Yo, Bellingham. Oh, yeah, Bellingham. Bellingham, come on, Bellingham. Bellingham. Foul! That's a foul! That's a foul! He fouled Bellingham. Come on. Dude, be rude. Hey, let's get it, dude. What?
That's a yellow card.
Hey, dude, stop playing with him, bro. Let's get it, dude. Come on, dude. Let's get it, dude. Be rude, dude. You are the Bellingham. Free kick, England. Free kick, England. Free kick, England. Come on. Come on. Is Declan about to bend it like that? Is Declan about to bend it? Come on, Declan. Bend it. Bend it like Declan. Come on. Bend it like Declan. Oh. What was that, bro? Yo, hey, what was that? We had a free kick opportunity, bro. What was that, bro? They should have hit it, bro. What's good, brother? What's good, bro? You enjoying the game, bro? Nice to meet you, 2 Chainz. It's good to see you. How you doing?
Yeah, she's a fan as
Nice to meet you.
Congratulations on everything.
Thank you, 2 Chainz. 2 Chainz. How we lit, man. Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you too, bro.
We got 2 Chainz in the building, chat. 2 Chainz. Oh my days. Bro, they gave it finally, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, they got me teed, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. yeah, Pickford. Oh yeah, Pickford. Nice, nice, nice. Oh. You messed up the touch. Come on, England, cross it. Cross it.
Yeah, they're gonna sit there.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, England.
Come on, boys, get it in.
Get it in, get it in.
Get in the box.
Come on, England. Get in the box. Foul. Yes! Yes! Foul right outside the box from England.
Belly knows how to play them. You know that?
What?
They can't keep fouling like this.
Foul right outside the box. Come on, England. This is it. This is it.
Right there. Right there.
Foul right outside the box. Come on. Come on, this is it. This is it, baby.
Free kick, turn it a little.
Free kick England, baby.
Oh, come on. Watch out, man. Watch out.
Free kick England. Here we go. Here we go.
Come on.
Is that open? Open it. Open it.
Gorgeous. Get your head on it. Get your head on it, Gorgeous. Get your head on it. Oh. Get it in.
Get it in. Get it in. Get it in.
Two up in the air. Two up in the air.
Ah.
What are you doing, man?
Oh, May. May, what are you doing? Oh my God, Jesus. Are they fighting? They fighting? Man, stop this fighting, bro. He gave him a yellow card, bro. He gave him a yellow card, bro. All right. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yellow card from Elliot Anderson. It ain't looking good. What'd he say? What? What'd he say?
I don't say it.
What'd he say?
He's just talking shit.
He's just chatting. Oh my days. England, come on, mate. He almost scored that. I'm not gonna lie, bro. He almost scored that. He almost scored that. Ooh, crap. Oh my God. That was it. Come on, England! England, don't start this, bro. England, do not start this, bro. Do not start this, England, bro. Don't do this to me, bro. Do not do this. Say, wallahi, y'all about to do this to me. Like, are they actually about to do this right now, bro? Say you swear. Don't do this to me, England.
What are you doing, mate? Get it.
Nice. What are they doing, bro? Bro, why they playing like this, bro? Come on, bro.
What game? What game, mate?
With the free. To everybody subscribe. We are 70,000 away from 58 million. 58 million. Come on, mate. Hey, he killing them drums, though. Come on, defense! Defend! Bro, Bellingham, bro. Come on, England. Finally a yellow! Yes, baby! Argentina got a yellow!
He can't handle it.
I ain't
handle
like
Bellingham. He
you can't.
He's fouling because he can't handle it.
Yellow! Yellow school bus. Also, tell we are live on Fox 1 on YouTube. The link is in the description chat. If you want to watch the game and me at the same time, the link is in the description. Fox 1 on YouTube. Baby, let's go. You can watch the game for the game and me. All you gotta do is subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube. US based. The link is in the description. So hit that and join that second stream. If you want to watch the game. Come on, man. Come on, England. Nice, Harry. Nice, there you go. Foul. Take that ball from Messi, bro. Don't be scared. That's what I need from you. I need that confidence. Oh, yeah.
Play to the whistle, man. You gotta play to the whistle.
Hey, come on, y'all. Hey, Harry Kane, let's get it. Let's get it, let's get it. I'm just chilling with the Argentina Ultras. They music fire, I'm not gonna lie to you. I might be going for the other team, but they be hearing them drums though. Y'all be hearing them drums? Argentina do got fire chants, I can't lie. I can't lie. Come on, England. Come on, England. Nice ball. Come on. Hey, Bellingham, let's get right. It's about to be first half, Bellingham, so let's get right, baby. Nice ball. Whoa, ball. Ah, you can't get Extend that leg. Extend that leg and get out there, baby. Come on. Oh, no, I wasn't jumping over, bro. Relax. Relax. He was like, whoa. I wasn't jumping over. I was just mimicking his touch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he flopped. Nah, that's not a foul. That's not a foul. He flopped, bro. Come on, bro. Go, England. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, England.
Come on, let's get something here.
Come on, England.
Go, Jude.
He's open, he's wide open, yeah. Play with it.
Come on. Come on. Come on, England! Come on, England! Smash it! Come on, England. Cross it! Bro, it's about to be halftime. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What? What'd he do? Offside? He was offside? Man, cinnamon toast crunch. Cinnamon roll pancakes. All right, chat, it's about to be halftime, bro. It is about to be halftime, guys. Keep smashing that subscribe button. We're about to hit 58 million subscribers today. And I said if England won and I hit 58 million, I'd do 58 backflips. I gotta do 58 backflips for 58 million subs. Oh, my days. Come on, England. Cross it! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah! Oh yeah. There you go.
It's alright, it's alright. Cooking, cooking.
That's halftime? Halftime. Okay.
Good game, good game.
All right. Now look. All right, boys and girls. Now look. It is currently halftime. And this game is absolutely intense. England is playing well. Argentina is playing well. They both played pretty much the same during the first half. England just played probably had a little bit more chances than Argentina. But second half is where the game really happens. Second half England always plays better. England always plays better in the second half. Hey, Rashford. Chat, Rashford over there. Hey, Rashford. Let's get right, brother. Come on, y'all, let's get it. Come on, bro, lock in. Look, yeah, bro, he smiled at me too, bro. Hey, come on, y'all, lock in, England. Hey, Rashford, lock in, bro. Rashford, lock in. Hey, dude. Hey, dude. Dude. Bro, he acting like he can't hear me, bro. Like, I know he can hear me. Hey, dude, lock in. What?
He said something. What did he say, though?
I don't even know what he's eating. What are you talking? What are you even saying?
Listen to your children.
What is mate talking about? But look, anyways, y'all, anyways, bro. Great game, chat. Halftime, bro. I mean, bro, let's get right, bro. Y'all know who we going for, chat. We repping for the Big E, Big G, Big England. You feel me? Big England. I'm about to see what the fool's saying, though. Do. What's up, bro?
What's up, Steve?
What's good? Y'all got lobster? I'm allergic to lobster. Y'all got cornbread, though. Cornbread's good. I'm allergic to lobster.
Lobster, crab?
Yeah, I'm allergic to shellfish. Whew. Chat, let me get a score prediction, y'all. Who y'all think winning this game, man? Ooh.
You know what's so crazy?
What's crazy?
I did not know he was watching WWE. Hey, right down.
I'm not gonna lie, chat. They are fighting a lot, bro.
They fighting a lot.
They fighting. Like, they out there scrapping. Hey, I don't even know what's going on. Like, it's just an intense game. It's a very much intense game, so everybody's just scrapping, fighting out there.
Hey, Chain's gonna come here and get a flick before he head out.
Okay.
Before y'all go back to the seat.
Okay. Ah. Oh my God. Oh. Is there Wi-Fi in this suite?
Yeah.
What's the Wi-Fi?
It's called fan.
What?
It's called fan.
Ah. Woo! It's coming home. It's coming. Football's coming home.
Get this photo, boy.
You about to leave?
Not yet.
Huh?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I got a flight at 6, though. Hang on.
Oh.
I got to right by the good. He's okay. Look at my daughter. Evan. Come get in here, man.
What's her name?
Heaven.
Evan? Heaven?
Heaven, yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir, brother.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Heaven. It's coming home. It's coming. You weird, bro. Word two. Chat, let me get a score prediction, bro. Yeah, so that's 2 Chainz, bro. 2 Chainz. I've been smoking on that gas. Right. 2 Chainz.
You good?
Two Chainz. He's from them, bro. They annoying. I'm not going home, brother. I'm gonna be right here. I'm not going. You go home. Go home. Oh, you want to take a picture of me, Tap? Your phone is black. Like, not right now. What are you even showing me? Toby, what are you? Brother, what the heck? Brother, you working for the... This dude Toby working for the... Hey, how you get down there? How we get? No, I know him. This is my friend. How you get down there? Hey, no, hold on. No, hook me up. Hook me up. What? Bro, Toby working for the stadium? Bro got on the vest and everything. Yes, yes. You out?
Keep going.
All right, bro.
I gotta do an interview with Fox and then some more shit, and then I got a flight at 6 to New York. Gotta do something for the ESPY, some sports shit. So I needed this experience. We came to one game when they played South Africa here, but it was,
you should have stayed for the whole game, though. You missing out. You basically only eating half of the food.
I can't miss the half of the bag, though. I gotta go get that.
Yeah. I feel
you
that.
get that, right?
I feel that. I feel that.
What you got for the game? I know you got. Don't even say it.
Yeah. Bro, how is Toby down there? Chat, how is Toby down there? Stop throwing stuff, bro. I'm not playing. They keep throwing stuff.
Thank you, brother. Hey, Big, you sing here?
Appreciate you, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate you, bro. Speed, you matter. Matter, matter. Speed, you matter. Matter. Speed, you matter. Matter. Speed, you matter. Matter. Speed, you matter. Matter. Messi. Listen, y'all. Y'all don't gotta listen. Y'all just gotta relax. Y'all don't gotta throw stuff. It's all love. Hey, it's all love. Just watch the game.
Speed, I love you, man.
Watch the game. It's all love. Calma. Don't worry about me. Watch the game. Watch the game, brother.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
I'm Top. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
How you enjoyed the game?
Good.
Good? I was gonna say, are you down to race after the game?
After the game?
Yeah. Up to you.
Yeah, if we see each other again.
Okay, bet. I called you out to race like a month or so ago.
You did?
Yeah.
And what happened?
I don't know. I was asking.
I don't think you can beat me in a race, though.
You don't think so? You wanna try?
Let me see you run down there.
You wanna see me run?
Go run.
I don't know.
I want to see how fast you are run.
Would you mind signing this for my son? Thank you. You're the man. Thank you.
Run, go ahead, run.
Trust, I'll lace up. We'll just see what happens.
All right, bro.
All right, just let me know.
All right. Who y'all think winning today, chat?
England.
England or Argentina?
England.
You got England?
I got England, baby. You?
England. What y'all think the score about to be? Hey. Hey.
Hey.
England? Yes. What? Oh, so he's a good guy. He's a good guy. Said still had the jersey on. They would have did the same thing. Little do they know. He don't even really like Messi.
I do like Messi.
You do?
Bro, I love him.
What? What the? Yo. Y'all see this?
What do you think this is, bro? I'm going to give you some gifts in there really quick.
The game about to start, is it? LOL. Woo!
Good game.
La 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 la. Some gifts. Let me see. We got some gifts.
Got you some gifts.
So, Speed, we appreciate you running back. You know, we're calling it lightning strikes twice. So we got a little love, you know, from our Rise Ventures family, right? So we have this initiative called Rise FC, and we want to give you our first inaugural Rise FC jersey, man. Oi! Hold it up, man. Oi, that's hard. Got the @IShowSpeed right there too. Hey, Rise FC, IShowSpeed. It happens right here. That's hard. That's hard, brother. Right. Let's hold this up and do a photo. Oh yeah, I got you, brother.
Here, please.
Right here. Beautiful. All right, and look, and we can't do that. What without, oh, some kicks in there? Bro. These hard? Limited edition, bro. They hard? Let me see. Check them out. Check them out. Let me see these. Ooh. This was an Adidas Soul Play. Are these like boots? What kind of shoes are these? Yeah, man. These are indoor boots. Yeah. These hard. Appreciate that, bro. Adidas collab, bro. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate you. We got some other stuff we get to you later, man. We got a nice map right here. Love, bro. Soccer map. Thank you, bro. Right here, bro. Appreciate that. Appreciate you and what you stand for. You know, everything you represent is what we're all about here at Rise Ventures, being able to leverage the power of sports and entertainment to create pathways of opportunity, bro. Okay, thank you, bro. Appreciate that, man. Absolutely. Love, man. Y'all give it up, yo. Shout out to y'all, man. Rise FC, baby. Rise FC, man. Shout out to y'all, bro. All right, check the game about to start. Wait, where the bathroom at? I should pee before.
Right there, right there. There you go.
I should pee, chat. I'm about to pee before halftime start. So count the 30 seconds.
What's up? What's going on, man? Yo, it's looking crazy on the field, I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm seeing a lot of fouls. Boy, but no one's pulling them up. I think we're still gonna win. It's still coming home. It's looking promising. I think, I'm still saying 2-1. 2-1. Or maybe 1-0. 1-0.
Good job, Speed.
Let's get it! Are y'all ready for the second half? Argentina. Are y'all ready for the second half? Chat, it is that time. It's that time. It's that time. It is that time. The second half of the football match. Let's go. Let's vamos. And let's bring it home. Because why? Because it's coming home. football, baby. Come on. Let's play football. Wait, Giannis Antetokounmpo just texted me.
Yeah. I heard it connected Ames with Nick from his team.
Huh?
His team hit me up during halftime, and I heard it.
Giannis Antetokounmpo. Are we coming? All right, back.
Look.
So I gotta be like after the game then. Uh-oh. Wait, this isn't good. Argentina's on a run. Come on, England! Get one in, mate! Smash it through the roof! And get one in and let them know who we are. We are British people and we eat beans for toast. Let them know who we are. Chat, are y'all getting tired of the drums? Because I'm low-key not getting tired of the drums. I keep dancing to them. I keep dancing to the drums. Are y'all getting tired of the Argentina Ultras? Chat, also chat, now that the second half has started, y'all, we are doing a watch with on Fox 1 on YouTube, chat. We are doing a live stream. There's a link in the description that shows both matches. Click the link in the description if you want to watch the match also. It's a separate live stream. You have to subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube. Oh no. Oh no. Defense! Big beam, big zoom, big move. Hey, Jules, stop playing. Chat, he stopped messing. Wait, they're not gonna show it? Oh, never mind, they're not gonna show it. Jules. That's that 80 strength. Bellingham got plus 10 strength on Messi. England. Come on, England. Come on, matey. Oh, England! England! Cross it. Cross it, England. Bro, I think England need to be down to goal to win, bro. Like, they don't start playing serious until they down a goal or two. Like, I don't get that. That's one thing I don't get about England, bro. Like, you gotta be down a goal to play. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, England. Come on, England. Hit it. Smash him, eh? Come on, England. Boy. Ooh! Come on. Foul! That's not a foul! That's not a foul! Give that man the yellow! Bellingham, come on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They can't stop Bellingham. That's not a foul? Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, England. Come on, England. Harry Kane. Harry Kane. Pickford. Come on, Pickford. What tackle? What a tackle! What a tackle! What's bro name? What's bro name? Spence. Hey, Spence! Hey, Spence! Keep playing with him, Spence! Let's go, Spence! What a tackle, Spence! That's my boy Spence right there. That's my boy Spence. Come on, Spence. Let's get it. get it. Come on. Come on. Spence, what a tackle, bro. If y'all ain't see that tackle, what Spence did, bro, he went crazy. Come on. Come on. Defense. Defense. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I need more. I need more. Nope. No. Hey, ref. Ref, he ain't had to do that to Pickford. He not do that. Come on, Pickford. Hey, man, show that tackle. That tackle he did was absolutely stunning. Let's get it. Onside. Let's go, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Turn me up. Come on, England. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Yes. Nice defending. Nice defending. No. Don't let him score. Don't let him score. Don't let him score. Clear it. Clear it. Harry Kane. Clear it. Man, Harry Kane with that man. Clear the ball. Harry Kane, clear the ball, man. Man. Harry Kane, clear the ball, bro. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on, Ing. Come on, British. Come on. Come on, British. Shout out to the Queen, baby. We out here. We out here. Come on. Let's go. Let's fight. We up. Tonight. We'll break. That's right. One world. Unite. Come on, baby.
Shut it down, Kate.
Come on. Defense. Hell no. Who looking at me? Who? Messi looked at me? He did? Cat Messi looking at me? Come on, England. Come on, bro. Hey, get another, bro. Bro, I want them to 3-0, bro. I'm trying to rate, bro. Bro, I need a 3-0. I need a 3-0 out of England. One goal not enough for me. I'm trying to turn up tonight. Can't you tell? Can't you see? My strength is my power. I'm trying to turn up. I know that. England. Come on, England. No. Bro, England has to play defend. They keep playing Argentina in the box. They can't do this. Nice. Nice clearance. That's that boy Stones. 84 overall center back on FIFA. Watch them. They do. England, defend! Do not let them, bro. I swear, do not let them score. Do not let them score. I'm pulling up the bricks in it if y'all let them score. Do not. Yes.
Why are we defending like this?
That's what I'm saying.
This is like 8 minutes defending.
They didn't defend better.
Like, we're not scared. I don't know why we're
Oh my God. Nice. Come on. Come on. Counter, counter, counter. Go, go, go. There you go, Rodgers. Go, Aw, man. Come on, man. Bro, they cannot let them score. It's 30 minutes left. England, 30 minutes, bro. 30 minutes. Oh, bro, England, play with your full hardest hit. Do not let Argentina score. Come on, bro. Bro, listen. Bro, I'm pulling up to England if we win, bro. I'm like, come on, bro. Look. That was the goal right there. What a cross. What a... Ooh, that was a goal. That was like that was technique.
That's why he plays for
That was technique goal. He crossed it in. Chat, everybody subscribe. Chat, my fault, chat. I'm really indulging myself in the game, but y'all, everybody subscribe, hit that like and sub button, chat. Right now it is 1-0 England. We're also doing Watch With Fox 1 on YouTube. So chat, subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube. The link is in the description if you want to watch the game and me at the same time. The link is in the description if you guys also want to see what's happening inside the game. There's a separate stream that I'm doing with Fox. But you have to subscribe to Fox 1 on YouTube to watch that. In the US. So hit that link. Nope. Here. Clear that, clear it, right? Clear it. I'm not gonna lie. They gotta get their defending good.
They need to score again.
Yeah, they need to score again, you're right. England needs to score again, and once they score, put every defender in. Put every defender in. Chat, England needs to score again, and once they score, put every defender in. Come on, mate. Nice. Who is that? Ganey? Ganey? Mark Ganey? Gay? Gay? Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go England. Go England. Harry. Come on. Let's go, chat. Let's go. It might be really coming home. Come on. Oh. Nice defending, but it's looking scary though. It's looking scary. It's looking scary. It's low-key looking scary. I'm scared Argentina gonna score, bro. It's 6-7. Get out there, get that out, yeah. It's like they're playing different now because they're up. Lock in, Jude. Hey, Reece James, lock in, bro. Lock in. Harry Kane, lock in. All of y'all boys need to lock in real quick. Lock in. Oh, clear that. Nice. Come on. Wait. Pickford, what a save. Pickford, oh my days. Pickford, what a save, Pickford. Oh my gosh, he almost scored. Oh my days. Pickford, you picking right now. Pickford, that's what I needed out of you. Pickford, what a save, brother. Pickford, what a save. That's exactly what we needed. Pickford, what a save, bro. What a save, Pickford. Oh my God. Hey, England's winning up 1-0. Chat, bro, I swear, bro, if England still, oh my gosh, bro. It is literally 23 minutes left of football. 23 minutes. England, all you have to do, run a 5-3-1. 5-3-1. That's all you gotta do is run a 5-3-1. Play back, relax, defend. I recommend put some fresh legs on, put in Buyako Saka. Put in Buyako Saka. Put in Rashford maybe. You know what I'm saying? Put in some fresh legs for the last leg of the game. We gotta carry out this win, baby. Come on, cause this can be the game right here. Come on, bro, turn me up. I'm trying to get lit tonight. I'm trying to have fun tonight. Come on, bro. Lock in, y'all. Lock in, bro. Lock in, bro. Chat, and we about to hit 58 million, bro. So chat, everybody like and sub, bro. Sub and hit that like and sub button. 58 million. Clearly they're mad, chat. Don't worry about that, y'all. We not gonna worry about that. We gonna worry about England, chat. Let's keep going. They go, chat, they gotta throw stuff. That's what happens, y'all. They're gonna throw stuff. But look, we don't care. Cause it's coming home, okay? It's coming home. It's coming home. Unfortunately, we're sitting right behind the Argentina Ultras. Unfortunately, but it's okay. They can't faze me. Wait, who does that? Rashford? Rashford does that? I'ma just hit him with this. I'ma hit him with the Rashford. Yo, bro, can you connect my phone to the Wi-Fi? I'm trying to read chat, bro. I don't have Wi-Fi either. There's no Wi-Fi. Are we lagging? We good? Yeah. Bro, I'm 20,000 subs away from 58 million. I'm 20,000 subs away from 58 million. Come on, chat, it's coming home. It's coming home, let's go. It's coming home. Come on, chat. 20 more minutes. Come on, chat, 20 more minutes. 20 more minutes, chat, come on. Come on, boys. Yep. Oh, go ahead, Mel. Come on, England. Come on, 20 more minutes. minutes, chat. Come on, baby. Come on, y'all. Everybody's film England. No, everybody's film. Don't let them score. Don't let them score. Everybody's filming that. Don't let them score. Oh no. Oh no. Come on, England. Bro, why they keep letting them in the box? I don't know. They keep letting England in the box, bro. Chat. Yo, what is going on? What y'all doing? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, England. Don't let them score, don't let them score. Come on, mate. Come on, mate. I swear to God, bro, I'm having a full breakfast, a full English breakfast tomorrow morning. Argentina just hit the crossbar. They almost, that was way too close.
Get it out! Get it out!
Argentina just hit the crossbar, bro. Bro, what is going on with them? Why are they playing like this now? England's like playing like... Pickford, lock in! Bro, look at that. Look at that. No, that one. Bro, he almost scored that. That stuff, bro, that hit the crossbar. That hit the crossbar, bro.
What was that? He's saying everybody's down here. He's like,
that was way too close. Argentina to score. What? I don't know, bro. Argentina keep, bro, can you lock in? Bro, this ain't looking good, bro. Argentina almost scored 3 times already, bro. 3 times in the past 5 minutes, bro. Y'all know what that means, bro. Argentina almost scored in the past 3 minutes. Nice. That's not a foul. That's not a foul. Go England! Go England! Go England! Go England. Hit it. Come on, Spence.
Who's that to? You're looking at whip me.
Man, who is he passing that to, man? Got 10 minutes left. Come on, defense, England. Bro, do not let them score, bro. I swear. Bro, why haven't the manager put in fresh legs? He still got in the same group of guys from the beginning of the game. Is he saving them?
What are you doing? Get the ball.
Press. Why didn't the English manager put in a fresh pair of legs? I ain't gonna lie, Argentina playing dumb good right now. They like playing super good. They're playing very good right now. Argentina's playing very well right now, I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting nervous. Yo, this game, dude. Yo, this game is crazy. England. Oh, your chat working? Mine's not even working, bro. What a game, chat. What? Oh, wait, mine's working now. Oh my God, chat. 10 minutes left. Now we know the game's not over with until it's over. I've been to the past 4 Argentina games, and they have came back in the last 10 minutes. So this is where the real game starts. Can Argentina come back in 10 minutes? Yes or no, chat? That's a genuine question. Genuine question. Genuine question. Chat, can Argentina come back in the last 10 seconds? Oh my days. They put this. Oh my God. Nah, you gotta put it like right here. Like. Right. Oh, substitutions. Chad, these are the substitutions. Come on, bro. Come on, lads. Come on, lads. Come on, lads. Come on, lads. Finish the game on strong. What? Oh my gosh, come on, lads. Hey, y'all think Argentina coming back? Why are they playing back? That's what I'm saying. They're sitting back. is sitting back. This doesn't work. Why are y'all sitting back against Argentina?
Man, go into it. Go. Go get it. Go get it.
Why are they sitting back against Argentina, bro? They know this doesn't work, bro. They're sitting back, bro. Bro, Egypt did the same thing. Chad, Egypt did the same thing, bro. You cannot sit back against Argentina, bro. You can't do that. That's that way. Oh my gosh, Chat. Oh my God, Chat, we about to hit 58 mil. We about to hit 58 million. Oh my gosh, Chat, imagine I hit 58 million as England wins. As England wins, I hit 58 million. Imagine. She got the ball. She got the ball. I wanted to get the ball. Come on, England. Don't let them. Bro, Tyrese serious, bro. No way, bro. Oh, but we hit 58 million! Oh my gosh, this is such a weird way to hit 58 million. As Argentina just scored, we just hit 58 million. Spin up the W's in the chat. Spin up the 58 million. Come on, England. 58 million, bro. We just hit 58 million. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all so much, chat. Spin up to 58 million. Look where we hit 58 million at, y'all. In the middle of the game. Thank y'all so much, y'all. We hit 58 million, y'all. Let's go. Oh my gosh. W's in the stream. 58 million, baby. Bro, they put beer on the thing right there. We need a towel. 58 million. 58 million. Let's go. 58 million. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, thank y'all so much, bro. I love y'all. Appreciate everybody who subscribed and liked the stream. Currently, this is I know I didn't expect to hit 58 million today, but it's very intense at a very weird situation. Very weird situation right now. Argentina just scored. Oh my gosh. 58 million, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. 9 minutes extra time. Chat, here we go, yo. 9 minutes extra time. Who's gonna win this game? Chat, we need England to win. We hit 58 million. We gotta celebrate. Come on, bro. Come on, England. Come on, England. Come on, England. Bro, what's going on, bro? What is going on with England, bro? Chad, what is happening to England, bro? What is going on? Oh, they almost scored again. They almost scored again.
this. You're close. Yeah, I'm sorry. I support England too. Me too. That's okay. That's okay. We have time. We have time.
Messi going to the final. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 come on.
We're moving back to the truck.
CJ. CJ. Bro, I'm convinced Argentina can't lose, bro. I'm gonna keep it a big bug with y'all. I'm convinced Argentina can't lose. I'm convinced Argentina can't lose, bro. Tell me not. The same thing happened the past 3 matches.
Same thing.
The same exact thing happened the past 3 matches, bro. The same exact thing happened the past 3 matches, bro. Bro, I'm convinced Argentina cannot lose, bro.
Next.
Why the